Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another Color Street Color Play subscription box unboxing. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Wendy from Cali. I love doing my nails and just chit-chatting about life. And every month I get a subscription box from Color Street called Color Play. This is the January 2025 box called Rest and Reset. And everybody has already gotten theirs. I think there's one person in our group that's still waiting for theirs to be delivered, but literally everybody got theirs, and I'm like one of the last ones to get it. Likely due to the fires here in California. So surprised I even got it today. But let's get opening this box. Let's get to opening this box, I should say. And you can see my first impressions of what's inside. It's been really hard avoiding any spoilers. And I really have been anxious about seeing other unboxing videos because most of the folks that I usually watch, their unboxing videos have already done theirs and posted yesterday. So I want to hurry up, get this done, and then watch their videos to see their first impressions of what's in the box. What's in the box? If you don't want any spoilers and you're waiting for your box, click off of this video and come back when you get your box. Would love to hear in the comments what you thought of the box and all of that. Did you agree or disagree with any of my impressions? Sometimes my first impressions are also like, you know, sets do grow on me, so take it all with a grain of salt. Alright, Rest and Reset is the name of this box once again, and let's get started. Here is the little pamphlet, which I will look at the end. I'm going to go flip these upside down. Wow, this is a whole freaking bottle of cuticle oil. Like, what? Like, a full bottle. That's literally a full-size cuticle oil as a free gift. But not only do we get one free gift, we got two free gifts. Cozy ribbed headband. Oh, and then we've got the usual nail prep pad and nail file. Alright, let's see what this headband is all about, because it's not that cold here in Southern California. In fact, our world is on fire, so how cozy is cozy? I mean, I got a big head too, so we'll see. Let's see. It does make for a nice wrist warmer that I could use this for nail face. That's pretty cool, right? Right? Let's throw this on my head and see if it actually fits. Not that you can see me do it, but ooh. Okay. I'll take a picture of it and post it in my Facebook group. But it's really soft, and it's holding my hair back, and it's keeping my ears warm, so I sort of kind of like it a lot. Okay, but the cuticle oil is awesome too, because although I do make my own cuticle oil using jojoba oil and some other things, Color Street's cuticle oil is great. I just hate the square container because it's hard to get to like the bottom of the bottle and stuff like that. So I might just pour it all out into one of those cuticle oil pens or rollers and just not use the box itself, or box, the bottle. But here is the box, and let's look at the sets, because I'm sure most of you guys are much more interested in what sets were included, if you are or you don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, are there 5 sets? 5 full sets? Are you kidding me? For reals? Let's start with the little baby set though. The little accent pack. Alright. This one's called Peace of Mind. I swear we've had another set that looks similar to that. How does that embody peace of mind? Somebody tell me. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't get it. Peace of mind. I mean, it's pretty. If you like look at it in different angles, the glitter is like multi-dimensional, and there's little tiny bits of glitter, but then also the big chunky glitters. But I feel like we have something like that already. Okay. That's the Accent Pack Peace of Mind. Here's Crystal Calm. Oh, I love that. That's got to be an overlay. That has got to be an overlay. It's very sparse glitter, but will look absolutely gorgeous, I feel like, over like a deep jewel toned color or even a dark moody color. Crystal Calm. It does look very calm. All right, what else? Fresh Feels. Oh, looks like dual-ended French tips. Fresh Feels. Oh, I absolutely love the color and the glitter. Like from different angles, there's a lot more like silver and a lot less of the color. And then other angles, you'll see that like sage green, that minty sage green. I love that color. So good. Fresh Feels. Fresh like toothpaste or mouthwash. Warm Embrace. Here's Warm Embrace. Ooh, I like that. I love ombre strips. And this one looks like a solid ombre, which is different from a lot of the other sets we've ever seen with Color Street. We usually see some like jelly-like translucent with the ombres. And then we've seen glitter ombres. But I don't know if I've ever seen just a solid, like it's literally solid. You can't even see like printer lines, which I know has been a gripe for some of us as far as like design sets are. But this one's so smooth looking. And the color looks, I don't know if the color is fitting for this winter time, but definitely for summertime, I can see myself using that. So that one's called Warm Embrace. It does look very warm. This does kind of look like it could do a really good mixed mani with all the sets, but we'll see. Cozy Comfort is next. Oh, I love it! Ah! Okay, so that is like literally the box, but done into a set with a really shimmery glitter design, and I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can almost feel it. It looks so good with all the sparkles. I'm glad it was sparkles and not like flat matte like the box, because that, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but Cozy Comfort, so good. All right, and then the last one is Simple Solace. Oh, that's a moody gray. That's absolutely gorgeous and really ties in with that, what was that one called again? Fresh something. Fresh Feels. So the glitters are like similar, where at certain angles you see mostly the glitter, and then other angles you see that moody dark charcoal gray. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I love it. Okay, this box is way better than I thought it would be. I didn't have any expectations really, because according to those that have seen spoilers, I guess Color Street showed a bunch of spoilers on their main page and all of that. I personally try to avoid any of the social media from Color Street right around the time when the sub boxes are going to be mailed out, because I want to be surprised. Like, that's one reason why I subscribe to the sub boxes, is for the surprise, plus also for the value of the amount of sets you get when you get a box. And I love the community of being part of receiving a sub box and talking about it with Shannon's group. Shannon's my Color Street stylist. And so, yeah, I love just being part of that community. But anyways, overall, I love this box. And let's just go through the pamphlet really quick before we close out on this video. So this is Color Play by Color Street, Rest and Reset, January 2025. In this month's box, take a deep breath and indulge in comforting, tranquil colors and textures as we enter a new year with Color Play's Rest and Reset collection. This box features 4 sparkling glitter picks, a versatile ombre, and a cute and cozy knit design. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design inspired by pure winter bliss. Bonus items, I feel like. Cozy up in this rib knit headband with a silver metallic accent to keep you warm in style. Finish off the look with this moisturizing cuticle oil to help your hands stay hydrated all winter long. And here we are. Meet the strips. We've got fresh feels, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, dual-ended French glitter. Have the best of both worlds with the sage shade layered with gold glitter designed for the versatility of French tips or a full manicure. Crystal Calm, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. This is glitter. And layer over a solid color or wear it as a standalone statement. Crystal Calm is a high-gloss, clear polish featuring glimpses of silver glitter. And then Peace of Mind, 1 sheet of 4-finger strips glitter. Add a fun pop of pink to your manicure with this gorgeous multicolored glitter accent. And then we've got Simple Solace, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips glitter. Kick back and relax in this charcoal gray featuring gold and silver glitter as your versatile go-to. And then Warm Embrace, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips jelly. Oh, it is a jelly. It doesn't look like a jelly. The feel of it looks very solid. I guess I'll have to watch Shannon's video if she does like a transparency translucent test to see how see-through it is. But Warm Embrace is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips jelly. Knock the chill off your manicure with Warm Embrace, a coral to peach ombre jelly. And then Cozy Comfort, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips shimmer. Introduce a fun texture design into your manicure with this chunky rib knit print with a shimmering gold flash. Gold flash? Did I not see that? Oh yeah. At certain angles it is very like gold-like. I totally didn't notice that. Hey, I was pretty good at describing some of them without knowing what they were, like the sage green and the charcoal gray, so I know my colors. Alright, but above, you've got your Fresh Feels and Crystal Calm together, so they used it as the French tip, but also as the full, and then they used the Crystal Calm over it. Front cover's got Cozy Comfort and Simple Solace. Beautiful mixed together. And then back cover has Cozy Comfort and Simple Solace. Oh, it's the same. Share with us and share your cute and cozy manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity. And then here's some more. We've got Warm Embrace, Peace of Mind, and Crystal Calm together. It does look like a jelly when you see it on the fingers, actually, that Warm Embrace. It actually looks really good on the fingers. Different than what I thought it would look like. And then Simple Solace by itself. You got Fresh Feels and Crystal Calm again. And then Warm Embrace all by itself. I don't know if I like Warm Embrace all by itself, but it sure looks good with that Crystal Calm over it. So that may be the route I go. Or I might use another glitter overlay. But that is it. What did you guys think of the box? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you love it? I personally, so far, I love it because there's so many different sets. I love that they had an overlay, because that was one gripe I had about other boxes where there was an overlay. They had a design strip. They have a solid strip, which, you know, solid jelly ombre. Dual-ended. This is the most versatile looking box, and it still looks pretty cohesive in my eye. And the headband is so soft, I don't want to take it off. It might be what I have to wear to bed like every single night now, just because I can. And then cuticle oil. So really great value of this box. Like, I'm glad I got it. But anyways, that is it, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.